Welcome to Mr. Movie Explainer. So today I'm going to explain the movie Housemaid. This is one of the best South Korean drama thriller movie which was released in 2010. The IMDb rating of this movie is 6.4 out of 10. Rotten Tomato is 70% fresh and Metacritic score is 68. So before starting the movie explanation, I would like to request you, if you are the new on this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon for the further notification. So let's begin with the Housemaid movie explanation. The film opens with a city street where a young woman committed suicide by jumping from a building. Film's main character introduced name Yeon E. Friends, for the better understanding, let's call her Alice. Alice, who works as a worker in the restaurant. In the next scene, we can see Alice is very excited to see that suicide scene. When she went to that spot, she might be thinking how and why this girl committed suicide. The next morning, an older woman by the name of Miss Cho visit her small apartment, and later she expressed an interest in giving her a job. She agrees and ready to work as a housemaid in a rich family. Next day, she went to that rich family. She meets Mr. Hank family. In the Hank family, there is a Mrs. Hank. She's a pregnant with the twins inside and his daughter Nami. Alice's primary task is to take care of rich family's daughter Nami and assist pregnant wife. We can see Alice is eager to connect to Nami, who gradually warms to her. That night, when Mr. Hank come into the house, Miss Cho introduces Alice to him. We can see Mr. Hanks begins to secretly flirt with the Alice, enticing her with glasses of wine and his piano playing. One day, Hank family, along with the Alice, going to the vacation. At the night, Mrs. and Mr. Hank try to intimate, but due to pregnancy, Mr. Hank cannot get satisfied. So that night, he went to Alice and develop a relationship with her. And she don't disagree. Somehow, she is also attracted to the Mr. Hank. After coming from the vacation, again Mr. Hanks make a physical relationship with Alice. But this time Miss Shaw catches Mr. Hank having sex with Alice. She probes Alice, but she insists there is nothing to worry about that nowadays are going. One day Mr. Hank's mother come into the house. That day Miss Shaw alert him about the Alice and Mr. Hank relationship. So she reacted very angrily on this. During her stay, she planned an accident, make Alice fall off a ladder, but no one tried to save her. They rush to a hospital and Alice find out that she's pregnant. Miss Hank's mother asks her daughter to ignore the affair and she insists that all the rich husbands eventually cheat on their wives. The next day, Miss Hank offers Alice some money to abort the child and leave, but she refuses. As a result, Miss Hanks poisons Alice herbal medicine through Miss Chaw. Miss Hanks go to the hospital and deliver her twice son. Mr. Hanks visited to the hospital where Miss Hank let Mr. Hanks know that she know the affair. He return home alone and find Alice in the bathtub. She reveals that she is pregnant and planning on keeping the baby. At that time we can see on the Alice the effect of the poison and Miss Chaw arranges an abortion without Alice's permission. After abortion, Miss Shaw revealed that she told Mr. Hank's mother about the Alice pregnancy. Alice is angrily but forgive Miss Shaw and vows to get a revenge on the family. After recovering from her abortion, Alice sneaks into the house Miss Shaw's assistants. Mr. Hank finds her breastfeeding one of the newborn babies. Miss Hanks insists that Miss Shaw chase Alice out of the house, but Miss Shaw refuses and quit her job on the spot. Miss Cho asks Alice who is on the first floor to come with me, but she refused and say how I can forget this. And she say thank you to Nami and committed suicide and the lightning her body as a family watching in the horror. The final scene despite the family outdoors in the snow celebrating Nami's birthday, all speaking English while Miss Hanks singing happy birthday songs to Nami and Mr. Hanks hand a glass of champagne to Nami. Both appear incensed as Nami look on and the films end here. So let's understand the ending first. What was the ending that all about? Why did Alice hang herself? The whole film is a satire about how wealthy family treats the help. Alice is a housemaid and she know her place. She is perfectly about that she will never be able to fight the rich family because she simply does not have the money. The whole family treat her badly because they also know about that. Therefore, she hang herself. It was basically a big fuck you to the family. Was not the hanging enough? And why did she set herself on the fire? Okay, she set herself on the fire to scare them. as much as she can. Nami was also part of that crowd. Nami, what did she wrong? Nothing, but Alice wanted to scare everyone. In addition, Nami is precious to her family, so damaging her is also a way to hurt the Hang family. The final scene is that Alice was indeed successfully, and the whole family look insane except from the Namis, although she might be lose her marble soon. Hope you like this movie explanation. So I would request you, if you like this, just click like button, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you will never miss further notification. Thank you for watching and take care. Stay at home and fight against the coronavirus.